Everything, in my opinion, comes back down to economics, the economy. So we need to talk about China and how is that going to affect our economy? How is that going to affect the Midwest voter? How is that going to affect somebody in New Mexico or along the Mexico border?
She's also been a public defender, which is very unusual. Usually these justices have come from very cloistered backgrounds, but she wanted to be with the people.
High out-of-pocket costs are a huge issue. So Cruz is saying, let's expand the use of these health savings accounts so you have more money in your pocket to cover these kind of costs.
For Native people, we have a special relationship with the federal government because we are nations within this nation. And when people talk about treaty rights, it's about restoring the rights that have been denied for so long.
What should be the nature of our interdependence in a globalized world? My answer is solidarity and empowerment, not domination and exploitation.
You're going to have people that you completely disagree with. What I think I got better at is let's talk about this and figure out their point of view. I think the better you can get.
We election officials have always taken very seriously the security of elections. We first hold the safety of West Virginians, of voters, of election officials, of workers. We also make sure that the ballot is secure and we uphold the integrity of elections.